Hello, it's Marine for Learn Fun. In today's video I'm going to create a swimming pool for cute little peas, and I'm also going to give them rubber rings so they can chill and have a cool birthday pool party. This card is also featuring a magic picture changer element, so I first started by cutting 2 pieces of Strathmore Bristol cardstock. On the long one, I used the large pocket piece die and a pencil to mark the window. And on the small one, I used the moving piece die to mark the window as well. This way I will know exactly where to stamp my images. On the long panel, I stamped a donut in the center of the window and I masked it. On the short panel, I stamped the pea. He's on top of the donut, so this is why I stamped him first. When doing masking, always stamp the things we see first, the things in the foreground. I masked the pea, stamped the donut and masked it too. To create the water, I simply applied Tumble Glass Distress ink on both panels. Nothing fancy, but to create more texture, I splattered water on the panels and added salty ocean drops. When the panels were dry, I removed the masks and colored additional images using my alcohol markers. When the coloring was done, and to make my little peas even cuter, I gave them smiling faces. Next step is to die cut the magic picture changer elements. I taped the dies on my panels and set them to my die cutting machine. I applied double-sided tape on the thin tabs of the main pocket piece, front and back. Next, I folded the score lines, removed the back of the tape on the inside, and folded the tabs down to adhere them. Next, I folded this main pocket piece in half, right on the score line that the dies create. And I applied a generous amount of powder on the flaps front and back and along the thin tabs. This simple technique helps the mechanism to work smoothly. I put the moving piece in the pocket piece through the slot and insert each flap into a slot. I made sure the moving piece was aligned, removed the back of the tape and closed the pocket. And just to make sure it was working well, I played with it a few times. To complete the pull, I took the large frame from the Magic Picture Changer set and cut a piece out of Bristol cardstock that I colored using the same inks as before. I applied tape at the back of it on the 4 edges. If you use 1/8 of an inch tape and if you apply it on the very edge, it won't stop the Magic Picture Changer working. I removed the back of the tape and attached this frame on the pocket, making sure the notch was on the side of the tab. Next, I cut the tab part of the moving piece out of Vanilla Malt cardstock and stuck it down. I also cut the tab handle out of Sticky Note cardstock and attached it to the tab. For the base, I cut a 5.5 by 4.25 inches panel out of Sphinx paper from the Really Rainbow Scallops Petite 6x6 paper pack, a sticky note frame, and 2 white panels to use as small stairs, one measuring 4.25 by 3.25 inches and one measuring 4 1/8 by 3 1/8 inch. I layered all the panels using double-sided tape and adhered the pull using foam tape. I added white highlights on the images and attached them using foam squares, along with tiny speech bubbles saying yippee and yay. The first part of my sentiment was stamped using Spiced Marmalade oxide ink and cut using the coordinating die, and the second part was white heat embossed on black licorice cardstock. And this is the final result. Are you ready to join the fun? I hope you're having an amazing summertime. See you soon. Bye!